Struggling with constant sneezing and itchy eyes? It might not be just allergies, it could be allergic rhinitis. This condition is triggered by everyday allergens, like dust, pollen, smoke, or even pet dander, not by infections. Told by a doctor from Gupta Homoeo Clinic. Watch out for sneezing fits, a runny or blocked nose, and watery, itchy eyes. At Gupta Homoeo Clinic, they offer homeopathic care that treats the root cause, not just symptoms. Their approach is safe, side effect-free, and focused on long-term relief. Tired of seasonal suffering? Book your consultation now at Gupta Homoeo Clinic.